Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this
Well,
occasion, we will explain about materials computer system and let me introduce our member group. I am Nandita Gineta Nafiah.
my name is Amar Triadi.
My name is Muhammad Linggar Givari.
My name is Muhammad Faisal.
And the first topic will be present by Linggar.
What is computer system? A computer system is a collection of hardware and software that work together to process data into useful information. A computer system consists of several key components that support each other to perform various computing tasks. When your laptop is booting, in the context of the operating system, Bootstrap is a small program that is first run when the computer is turned on. This program is loaded by BIOS into memory and is responsible for creating the main bootloader. What is BIOS? Basic Input Output System. BIOS stands for Basic Output System. It is a program written in assembly language. However, modern BIOS can be written using a mixture of language, including C language, especially for the more complex part. BIOS function. Pause for self-test. When the computer starts up, the BIOS checks if all hardware components such as the CPU, memory, keyboard, and other devices are working properly. Loading operation system. The BIOS is responsible for finding and loading the bootloader from the storage device that contains the operation system so that the OS can be initialized and run. Interface between hardware and operation system. Before the operation system takes over, the BIOS help in setting up basic communication between the CPU and input-output device. System configuration setting. The BIOS store system configuration setting, which can be changed by the user via the BIOS menu or setup utility. Example, time and date settings.
And next, I will explain about hardware. And if we talk about hardware refers to the physical component of a computer system that you can touch and see. It works hand in hand with the software, and together they can create a functional system. Simply, but hardware is like the body, and the software is the soul that drives it. Next slide, please. Hardware is divided into two main categories. The first is internal hardware, components located inside the computer, like the CPU, RAM, motherboard, storage, and power supply. And the second is external hardware, devices outside the computer, such as keyboard, monitor, mouse external, and storage, or USB. Next, let's break it down further into four types. The first is input device, a device used to input data or instruction into a computer. Examples include a keyboard, scanner, mouse, and microphone. And output device, a device that displays or produces output from the computer's processing result. Example includes monitors, printer, speaker, and projector. And the next is storage device, a device used to store data. There are two main categories like RAM and storage, HDD or SSD. And the last, processing device, a device responsible for processing data, including the CPU and GPU.
Next materi bus system. Definisi bus system. The system bus in computer architecture is a communication path that connects major components such as the CPU, memory, and input-output device. This bus allows data to flow between the various components of the computer, thus allowing the CPU to access and execute data stored in memory. As a communication path, the system bus functions to transfer data between components with certain rules, allowing the computer system to function efficiently. Bus system function. Data bus. The data bus carries information in the form of bits from one component to another. This includes data retrieved from memory for processing by the CPU or data sent to input-output device. Bus address. The address bus allows the CPU to determine the specific location in memory where data is stored or from which data will be retrieved. Each memory location has a unique address, and the address bus sends the address to other components. Control bus. The control bus is used to manage access to address channels, data usage, and the address channels themselves. Since data and address channels are shared by all components in the system, a control mechanism is needed to ensure coordinate use. Example 1. When the CPU needs data to execute an instruction, it will send the data address via the address bus. Once the address is determined, the requested data will be sent from the memory to the CPU via the data bus. This process allows the CPU to retrieve the information required from program execution. Example 2. When the CPU needs to read or write data to memory, it use the address bus to send the address of the memory location it wants to access. For example, if the CPU wants to read data from memory address 0x0040, it will send that address over the address bus, and the data from that location will be sent back over the data bus.
Element computer system. Processor, the brain of the computer that manage all the instruction, perform data processing function. If there is only one processor, it's called central processing unit or CPU. Consists of ALU, arithmetic logic unit, perform arithmetic and logical operator, register unit or RU, temporary data storage during the data process. CU or control unit control the flow of data between components. Next, module I/O, connect input-output device with the processor and main memory. This module manages data transfer between the external device and the computer. System bus used to transfer data, control signal, and address between various components in a computer system, such as processor, main memory, and input-output device. How the CPU execute the instruction given to it. This cycle repeats continuously as long as the computer is operation. Next. When the user enter to 2.2, and then control bus reads the data from the input keyboard and store it to the RAM. For the moment, the CPU uses the address bus to find out where the data is located in RAM, and then fetch to CPU. For the control unit CU, in the CPU receive the instruction and identify that this operation is addition. The ALU then takes the numbers 2 and 2 from the register to control unit and ALU. The result is 4. Is stored back into RAM and then sent to output device via data bus. Okay, next.
Software is sharing of data in instruction of program as to operating a computer and perform specific tasks. Software functions as as a as a big bit when as and prepares uh, answering the hardware firmware scanning to the give comments. Next, software system, part of the operating software system, part of the operating system include Windows, Mac, and Linux. Application software. Application software is software designed to perform specific tasks for us. Such as Word, processor, Microsoft Word, web browser, Google Chrome, and graphic software Photoshop.
And thanks for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.